Hi everyone. In this video, I'll be discussing about a very important feature in Citrix Cloud, which is notifications. Okay, what exactly is notifications? Notifications provide information about issues or events that might be of interest to Citrix administrators, such as new Citrix Cloud features or problems with a machine in a resource location. Notifications can come from any service within Citrix Cloud. View notifications. The number of notifications appear near the top of the Citrix Cloud console page. For more details, click View on all under Notifications in the console or select Notifications from the console menu. So I am going to take you to the Citrix Cloud console. So once you log into Citrix Cloud console, you see an option called notifications here. This is very important actually as a Citrix administrator. So it is really important to monitor notifications. It will help you to find out what is actually happening in your Citrix environment. So what I'm going to do is you can either click this bell icon or you can just click this view all here. So once you click on it, it is going to show all the important alerts or warnings here. So if you see here, it says Cloud Connector has been offline for 3 or more hours. This is a very important notification actually, because Citrix Cloud Connector is one of the critical components. It always communicates with the Citrix Cloud. Citrix Cloud Connector resides in the resource location and it communicates with the Citrix Cloud. So at any point in time, if Citrix Cloud loses connectivity to Citrix Cloud Connector, it is going to throw a notification. It says Cloud Connector has been offline for 3 or more hours. Okay, so this is one of the critical notifications. So if you see here, it says Citrix connectors have been successfully updated. So maybe Citrix Cloud must have pushed some critical updates to Citrix Cloud Connector. That is why it was showing Citrix connector have been successfully updated. Okay, so if you see here, Citrix Cloud Connector have been successfully updated. So you will find these kind of very important notifications actually. It says, see here, it says a Citrix connector update has started. It says if the update has started, it is going to throw an alert saying that a connector update has started. So it is going to show all the critical details here. Okay, let me go back to the PowerPoint presentation. Okay, the number of notifications appear near the top of the Citrix Cloud console page. For more details, click view all under notifications in the console or select notifications from console menu. So we have just seen those notifications. Okay, so if you see here, you can also click on those three little dots. I'll just show that to you. So if you see here, you can also click on this and click on notifications. Okay, it will take you to the notifications screen. Okay, you can click notifications and you'll find all the details. Okay, let me go to the next slide. Okay, dismiss notifications. So after you have read the notification and acted on it if required, select the notification and then dismiss. Dismissing notifications, remove them from your list, and Citrix Cloud updates the notifications count when you return to the console home page. So let's say you saw an alert working in your Citrix environment and you have taken care of the alert. Maybe you have fixed some issue. In that case, you can just dismiss those alerts. Once the issue has been taken care. Okay. So let me go to the next slide. Okay. Receive email notifications. You can choose to receive email notifications by email instead of signing in to view them. By default, email notifications are turned off. When you enable email notifications, Citrix Cloud sends you an email for each notification. Notifications are sent as soon as possible. They are not grouped into a single email or batch for sending at a later time. After reading an email notification, you can dismiss it through the notifications page in Citrix Cloud. Okay, so every time, see, you can log into the Citrix management console and you can see the notifications, but maybe if you are having dinner or you're traveling somewhere, but you want those critical alerts to be sent immediately to your mailbox. In that case, you can also do it. So in the Citrix Cloud console, you have to go to the account settings. So let me take you there. So if you see here, click on this and you see account settings here. You need to click on account settings. Once you click on account settings, you need to go to my profile. Okay, go to my profile. So once you go to my profile, okay, you see email notifications here. You see email notifications here. All you need to do is you need to enable this. You need to enable this. Once you enable this, it is going to send the notifications to your email address. It is going to send the notifications to your email address. All the errors, warnings, information, everything will be sent to your email address immediately. Okay, so if you see here, to enable email notifications from the Citrix Cloud Management Console, click on account settings, select my profile, click the email notification, toggle the button to turn on email notifications. Select the notifications you want to receive. By default, all notification types are selected. Okay, so all the notifications will be sent to you immediately once you enable this option. So this is a very important feature in the Citrix Cloud environment. So you may have to enable this, and you need to monitor the notifications closely to resolve the issues as soon as possible. All right. I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you for watching. I will catch you in the next video. Bye bye.